Hi, M5980. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to my future employers. I am Carnel Pagaratan, 43 years old, born on August 27, 1982. I am second in the family. I have one brother and two sisters. I have kids. I have two kids, all boys, 12 years old and 13 years old. My highest educational attainment is I am college graduate, taking a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology.
And your religion?
My religion is I am a Roman Catholic.
Your civil status.
My civil status is I am a single mother.
Okay. Tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have 6 years and 5 months working experience as a nanny or a housemaid, all around in the my main duties is all around. I'm cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, washing all the clothes, ironing the clothes, preparing foods for the kids and my two employer.
Which is the couple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you're also taking care of pets, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of pets do you take care?
Dog.
Okay. So, do you take care of the children?
Yes, sir.
How old?
2 years old and 10 years old.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn, by the way, do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know how because you also have a children, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the temperature, and next the tummy. I will check also the whole body, and then the diaper if it's full or there's
Okay.
something wrong.
If the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
Well, I will call the parents and ask for assistance or
Okay.
help.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Well, I want to work in Hong Kong because I love the country and I want a high salary for the preparation of my two children for their educational.
Okay.
So,
Okay. And also, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
as long as my employer needs me in my service.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Uh, no, sir.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn to cook the Chinese food.
And how will you learn to cook?
By watching videos and reading recipes, recipes.
Okay. And also, you could, if you have an employer in Hong Kong, you could also help them how do they prepare food so that you could learn and also ask them if they could teach you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir. I love.
Work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employers, please hire me so that I can help my family, especially towards my two children for their bright future for their education. And I am willing to learn. I am diligent, obedience. I'm very patient regarding taking care of our kids.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Carnil Pagaratan. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.